I am Greg Frazier, and welcome to another episode of Observations from a Distance. Today's topic is going to be about sleep deprivation, or what I like to think of as personality deprivation. It's something that I've been really noticing a lot over the last few weeks, especially as we get to a very stressful time of the year for college students. We all have to deal with the fact of finals coming up. It's the final week. And then finals week as a whole. Many students pull all-nighters routinely. Their sleep schedule's out of whack. One night they're going to bed at 11. Another night you're going to bed at 5 in the morning. Some days you're waking up at 6:45 for your classes. Other days you might be waking up at 12 in the afternoon. Okay, so that's a lot of different changes for our sleeping patterns. Every day is a different day, basically. And so there is a consequence to doing this. I almost feel like there's a big five with personality. You know, what you eat. If you exercise, you have a personality shift, in a sense. And being sleep deprived basically takes your mind and you get turned into a zombie, basically. You're walking around. I feel this personally, so I can only speak for myself in general, but I'm sure the same applies to people out there. When you're walking around, your mind is not, it's not introspecting. Like, it will be harder for me to think creative thoughts. It will be harder for me to think abstract thoughts. I can barely write a paper. I'll be staring at a blinking cursor for over an hour. My God! Well, I mean, the most important thing is to be happy. The most important thing is to have your personality, to be out there fighting the good fight. This world's a scary place, folks. And if you're only sleeping for 5 to 6 hours every day, you're killing yourself. You're absolutely killing yourself. So let me ask you this. Other than being a college student, you look at people in their 30s, people in their 40s, 50s maybe. Why are they sleep deprived? Is it because they're working too much? Well, that could be an answer, right? Although I saw a stat that said Americans work an average of 7 hours a day, 7 to 8, give or take. So perhaps the idea is they're getting sleep deprived because they're staying up to watch the Letterman show, or Jay Leno, or Conan, or just watching Cartoon Network, Adult Swim. Folks, get your rest. 7 to 8 hours a night, that's cool. And if you have to pull an all-nighter every now and then, that's fine. But you know, throwing your routine out of your whack is a sure way to get stressed in life. It's a sure way to just be walking around like a schmuck. All right? Get some rest and sleep well. Take care. Sweet dreams.